catfish. Now, who here weighs 115 pounds? You're smaller than that.
Me,
so
less
it's bigger
than
than
that.
You.
Me,
Where?
104.
104?
105.
Stand up, let's see you. This is a catfish.
Follow me on Instagram for daily Nashville home tours, market updates, and everything you need to know about living in Middle Tennessee.
In Nashville is 180 million gallons every day. The thing is, we're only using maybe 100 million gallons a day right now. That means we've got excess capacity. All you folks, it's not too late. You can still move to Nashville. We've got plenty of fresh water here. Come to Nashville, we got plenty of fresh water.
Don't come.
Now, on the right, you're going to see the Omaha blocks. I mean, it's just walls and walls of valves and gauges, beautiful tile floors. That's a wonderful old building, 1888, and it pumps water. Now, right now, it's pumping a lot of water. In Nashville, there are no water towers. We don't have water towers here where you can climb and write your name on. What we've got in Nashville is hills. So what they do is they put little tanks on top of hills, and that's how we make our water pressure. So the Omaha right there currently pumps water to the top of 36 hills in Nashville, Tennessee.
Oh, wow.
That's how we make water pressure. The Omaha pumps water into reservoirs on top of the hills. A single red bulb. But that red bulb is a navigational beacon. It keeps the barges from hitting that tower. It blinks 4 times every 6 seconds all night long. Yes, ma'am. They're all happy fish. I looked at 2 different websites. I made a big mistake. One said we had 150 different species of fish. The other website said we had 300 species of fish. So, you know, it's crazy. It's a lot of fish. The thing is, for sport fishing, Tennessee is famous for smallmouth bass. We have smallmouth bass tournaments. In Tennessee, a smallmouth bass can get up to 10 pounds, which is a pretty good smallmouth bass. Now, we also have striped bass in this river. A lot of places have 1769. Folks, this is a cool thing. Get your phones out.
All right.
Captain can't keep this out.
Man, what a cave there, what an opening there.
Yes. The cave.
This cave is on the National Registry of Landmarks. That's a very rare thing for cave.
I'm a native, I ain't never even known this.
We had a bad flood in 2010, and the debris in that flood tore the cave off the cave.
Yeah, everything was on the water in 2010.
That's right. Now, folks, you can still go in there if you want. There's a hole in the fence.
Now, come on, let me out.
Well, I need to tell you something first. Spiders.
Oh, spiders.
Big spiders.
No, thank
Big
you.
spiders.
I'm out. Spiders, I'm out.
Big spiders. Fishing, right? So he's like a fishing guy.
On the way. Let's see. Oh, yeah, he's out fishing then.
You got a whole business.
This is really mostly industrial. He's got this area. There's actually, just past his house is like a warehouse. But I guess he owns a business here because he just took the back lot and he put his house on it. But I don't know, you can see there's an industrial building and trucks and things right
What
behind,
street
right
is
behind the
that?
streets.
What street is that right there?
This is cool, baby. So where these 2 boats are working, you're going to see some orange signs. There's orange signs on the left hand, and then we're going to see some orange signs on the right hand. These footbridge, and if that thing is a footbridge, it's the 3rd longest in the world. It's about 6/10 of a mile from 3rd out a steamboat. He would pull up here, and the front of a steamboat has a big ramp and a crane. and they would use that ramp and they would put it right up there on the hill, and they would get their goods into those warehouses. The thing is, they're amazing buildings. They're really skinny and long.
We're going under these bridges over here. We're on the Cumberland River. Look at this.
Pretty good. That's 14,000 animals in 1 week. What is that? 52,000 hooves or something, right? Anyway, it's a lot. 56,000 hooves.
That's a transport boat, ain't it?
See, in my head, it's a push boat. I think about a tugboat as something that's pulling from the side, and a towboat is being in the front. He's in the back with big bars. I call it a push
it's a big
boat.
bar. She's pushing it from the back.
Yeah, it's a push boat. Now, the name of his company is Heinz Furlong. Look, do you see the big barge that's on the back of the Nashville Bridge Company building? It's kind of crazy, but there's like stood up a barge on the back of it. Or it looks like a barge anyway. All right. So are we out of time? IMBO, Jimbo was his name. Right? That's Captain G in the back. And he has kept us safe and smooth this whole time. Give it to me, Captain G.
Captain G.
The very last thing is, of course, in Nashville, a lot of people work for tips. And that's us. So tips are allowed. Right? There's a bucket in the back, or I'll see you on the dock. Thank
No
you so
tax
much.
on tips,
Ladies and
baby.
gentlemen, what a great trip. Thank you so much for riding with us today. Really terrific.
Videoing y'all.
Oh, so you gotta warn us. Oh, baby, we out here on rooftops and awesome.
Yet the wonderful thing about that is that it speaks to people.
Finding a home is about more than just four walls. It's about finding a community that shares your heart. From our historic main streets to these rolling green hills, Nashville offers a pace of life you won't find anywhere else. I'm Gary with Elam Real Estate, a Christian-based brokerage here in Nashville. We love working with patriots who love our country as much as we do. If that sounds like you, let's connect. My details are in the description below.